Imagine being able to receive payments in US dollars without worrying about currency conversions or excessive fees. If you're an international entrepreneur, you know how complicated managing your income can be when working with global clients or markets. Local banks often impose restrictions, limit access to payment gateways, and charge high fees for international transfers. But what if there were a solution that allowed you to operate as a global business no matter where you are? In this video, I'll explain the huge advantages of having a US bank account, how this can transform the way you manage your business, and most importantly, how Maera makes opening your account a quick and hassle-free process, even if you are not a US resident. Why having a US bank account is a game changer. Opening a US bank account is no longer exclusive to large corporations or established businesses. Today, any entrepreneur looking to scale their business globally can benefit from it. Here's why. Seamless international transactions. If you've ever tried receiving payments from overseas clients, you know that traditional banks can be a headache. Currency conversion fees can eat into your profits, and transfer delays can make your cash flow unpredictable. With a US bank account, you can send and receive payments in dollars quickly and without excessive costs. This not only saves you money but also gives you more stability and control over your earnings, allowing you to focus on growing your business without worrying about fluctuating exchange rates. Access to global payment gateways. Many global payment platforms like Stripe, PayPal, Square, Wise, and Payoneer favor or even require a US bank account to process transactions without restrictions. This means that if you run an e-commerce store, offer digital services, work as a freelancer, or manage a startup, having a US bank account will allow you to get paid more easily and avoid unexpected blocks from local banks that do not understand global transactions. Greater financial stability. Currencies in many countries can be volatile and lose value quickly. In contrast, the US dollar is the world's most stable and trusted currency, allowing you to protect the value of your money and operate with greater financial security. By holding your funds in US dollars, you shield your capital from inflation in your home country and benefit from a strong and reliable currency in international markets. Credibility and business expansion. Imagine a potential client seeing that your company has a US bank account. Instantly, your business appears more professional and trustworthy. This can open doors to partnerships with international companies, facilitate negotiations with suppliers, and give you a competitive edge in the global market. The challenge. Why opening a US bank account can be difficult. If these benefits are so great, why doesn't every international entrepreneur already have a US bank account? Because the process can be complex if you try to do it on your own. Complicated requirements and bureaucracy. Opening an account in the US usually requires documents that many international entrepreneurs don't have readily available, such as a physical address in the US, an ITIN or EIN number, and even in-person visits to the bank. No US address or ITIN/EIN number. Many banks require a US tax identification number, ITIN or EIN, to open an account, which can be an obstacle for non-residents. Some banks require you to visit in person. Certain financial institutions require physical presence at a US branch, which can be costly and inconvenient for entrepreneurs who have no plans to travel. Concerns about regulations and compliance. Many business owners fear that opening a US bank account might lead to tax or legal issues if not done correctly. This is where Maera comes in. How Maera helps you open your US bank account. At Maera, we specialize in making this process simple, fast, and hassle-free. You don't need to be a US resident or travel to the US. We take care of everything so you can focus on growing your business. Open an account without traveling. No matter where you are, Maera helps you open your US bank account entirely online with banks that accept international entrepreneurs. Step-by-step guidance. From gathering the necessary documents to selecting the best bank for your business, we guide you through every step. Guaranteed legal compliance. We ensure that everything is in full compliance with US banking regulations, so you don't have to worry about tax or audit issues down the line. Expert support and personalized assistance. Our team of experts is available to answer all your questions and make sure your account is ready to use as soon as possible. If you want to start receiving payments in US dollars and operate like a global business, don't waste any more time. Maera makes opening a US bank account easy and fast, with no need for travel or complicated paperwork. Click the link in the description and get started today. Remember, no matter where you are, Maera can help you expand your business globally and unlock new growth opportunities. Don't miss out on this chance. Don't let banking barriers hold your business back. While others are already receiving payments without restrictions and expanding their markets, will you keep missing out? With Maera, opening your US bank account is easier than ever. Click the link now and take the first step toward a borderless business. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more valuable content.